So my jobs involves sorry. I'm Romane and I'm a UX designer at GE Healthcare. So my jobs involves close interaction with clinicians and radiologists to gather feedback and to iterate on our design proposals. UX means user experience. So we focus on usability issues to make user interfaces more intuitive and efficient. I've always been passionate about drawings, paintings and visual art. And I was also very curious about science and nature in general, which led me to study graphic design first and scientific illustration. After that, I pursued with a master's in interaction design. I use my skills in graphic design to create intuitive user interfaces. I live in Paris and Buc is 30 minutes drive from Paris. And it's very different environment, so it's very nice because it's very different. I can enjoy the best of both. What I love about this role is that it requires to learn a lot about medicine and radiology. So we create mock-ups first, and after that we create dynamic mock-ups, so prototypes that are clickable with a workflow that the clinician can really use. With those feedbacks, we update our mock-ups, and those mock-ups are then used to development. So for example, we have been asked to design an application for an interventional system, so it's used in operating room, and each device in an operating room is covered by plastic. And before there was different application for each, and now it's combined in one, so it's more smart. As long as it reduces the time the clinicians spend on the system, it allows them to have more time for patient care. It's very impressive, and it's always very, very interesting for us to see how they use it with real patients and real disease. Outside of work, I'm passionate about horse riding, and I currently ride a horse named Tally. When you ride a horse, you need to question yourself and adapt to the horse, because the horse will not have the ability to adapt his behavior or his communication with you. You have to adapt to him. Yeah, it's a good exercise to make the efforts to adapt in order to achieve what you want to do. And it's also applicable in work and in personal life also. In my role, I love to collaborate directly with clinicians and customers and see the direct impact of my work on their daily practice and on the patients. That's why GE Healthcare is for me.